out to 1,000 fathoms. Today, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming very... This is the National Weather Service office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: in southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester; in northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren; and in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the tide information. It's Sandy Hook. High tide is at 7:35 a.m.
Alright, here we go. Required weekly test for State College. The HH should go off first because it goes off one with the headers. Excuse for this thing on the bed, and excuse for that on the floor as I hit my knee on it and I broke it. Come on, State College. Come on. New radios, get the weekly. Let's go. Come on. Anytime now.
Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers. Lows in the mid-30s. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and snow.
Yes! Go off! Go off! Hey!
This is the
120 still had to go off.
State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may
Oh no!
until the next good weather.
Thank you.
This was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest National
All
Weather
right.
Service forecast for Cary, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties, including the city of Harrisburg.
Nice.
Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs around 40. South winds 5 to 10.
Whoops, that's 400. It's going up. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Tonight, a slight chance of rain until midnight.
Okay, now it's time for me to listen to my favorite show. FM, please. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Excuse me, and that'll be it.
Winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwest late. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers. Thursday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of rain in the evening, then rain likely after midnight. Friday, east winds 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Rain in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Friday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Saturday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 knots, becoming east after midnight. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers. Sunday, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers. Sunday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Offshore waters forecast Baltimore Canyon to Hatteras Canyon. Today, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east to southeast early, then becoming south 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Tonight, south winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Thursday, south to southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Scattered showers. Thursday night, west to southwest winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming east to northeast 5. This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Offshore waters forecast Baltimore Canyon to Hatteras Canyon. Today, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east to southeast 3. Across the region, it was cloudy in Columbia, Missouri, with a temperature. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KDO 89 listening area: in Missouri, St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. At 10 a.m. at Lambert Field in St. Louis, light rain was falling with the temperature freezing rain after midnight. Light snow accumulations. Lows in the mid-20s. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over this and other NOAA radio stations in southern Wisconsin will normally be activated for watches and warnings that affect the following Wisconsin counties: Richland, Vernon, Adams, Juneau, Marquette, Waushara, Winnebago, Calumet, Manitowoc, Sauk, Columbia, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Dodge, Washington, Ozaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha. And the following Illinois counties: Stevenson, Boone, Winnebago, McHenry, and Lake, and all adjacent coastal waters of Lake Michigan. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for south to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows around 5.
National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central